It's that time of the week again. It's Freebie Friday. So today I'm giving you access to a PDF that you can download and then resell on Amazon KDP. Put your own cover on. It'll be swell. It will cost you no money at all, just a little bit of your time. Watch this video till the end. There'll be a discount code somewhere. Put the discount code into Gumroad and you'll get this lovely file for absolutely nothing. This is the file you'll get. It's a 6x9, no bleed, 100-page book. And it's an undated 5-minute journal. With it being undated, it means that you can sell it any time of the year. You don't have to be in the January window. You can sell it whenever. The perfect evergreen niche, if such a thing exists. And this is it here. It's a simple, just 1-page repeating journal with prompts. Now this was all handcrafted by me with a little help from AI. This is the title page, the 5-minute journal with a lovely sun around the outside. This journal belongs to. That's your title page. And then this is the page that repeats throughout the book. It's undated, so the user fills in the date and the day, and then there are guided prompts for the daytime and the nighttime, adorned with a lovely sun, stylized moon. It's a guided journal with 2 parts. The first part is a kind of looking forward, so a part of the daily affirmation and the gratitude. And then the bottom half of the page is more of a reflective area for the user to fill in, with reflective prompts encouraging people to focus on the highlights of the day and then also offer a little bit of self-improvement. It's a simple, clean design, yours for completely free for watching this vid. And as you can see, it just repeats through. It's a very simple planner, but people want that. So this is 6x9 without bleed. You can sell it on KDP, of course, no problem. You can also sell it on Etsy as a digital download, and there are other book publishing sites which I'm looking at. Put them there. Put them wherever you want. Make it into a digital journal if you know how to do that, so people can use it on the tablets. Just a nice, simple, clean, free design for you. When you click the link, you'll be taken to this page right here. You can see, £3 fee, you will pay nothing. Although some people have been leaving us tips, which is very, very nice. Unexpected and unnecessary, but I appreciate it. Click on I want this. Not even Honey could find the code I'm about to give you. Type in the code, which is the number 5, followed by minutes. Very imaginative. Click apply, and then boom, it goes down to 0. So that's the end of the first month of Freebie Fridays. I've given away PDFs and current book assets this month. If you want them, there's a playlist in the description. Click that, just watch the videos, you get similar codes. Pop them in and you get all these files for absolutely free. Going forward, I'm going to try and do this every week of the year, but we'll see how that goes. So that's it for today's vid. Enjoy your free book, and I shall see you next time.